I love hair extensions. I'm Tiffany Twist, and this is my hair extension studio. Welcome to West Coast Hair. We're getting there. Hey, Rachel. Hi. There you
Hi.
are. Hi, Rachel. How are you?
Hi,
Happy
I'm good. Oh,
Tuesday. That is it. I know when we talk over each other. So I'm just going to let you go. I already did like a quick intro that just explaining that, you had gotten a volume install in 2019 and had done some other ones because of, all the stuff that was going on. So you're going to tell us a little bit about what you tried and the other experiences. And then we'll talk about this long bong bangs that you just got last week. So does that sound good?
sure.
So tell me.
Yeah. So I've had multiple kinds of extensions throughout the years. I think my initial ones were the Cinderella hair, and then I've done lengths and tape-ins and clip-ins and a little bit of everything. um, yep, and I did them in 2019 with you guys. I definitely noticed a difference in the less damage with yours versus some of the other ones I used, especially like the Cinderella or the Great Lengths where it's got that glue that goes in, and then when it comes out, there's like chemicals that are used. So I'm sure very drying and damaging to the hair. The one thing I noticed too in 2019 when I did get them out, they, like I said, they didn't do any damage. My hair wasn't falling out of my head, and as I combed it, some of the product came out, but not my hair, which was really nice. So I really liked that, and that's why I came back to. Wasn't looking for length this time. I was just looking for a little bit of fill in. So
And it looks
really,
like you did the 20 strands right in the front at the bangs, and it looks good. And I remember, yeah, it's beautiful. And I'll have to include the before and after if that's okay with you.
sure.
Cool. And I remember, yes, after you had it in and you came out, and I was like, wow. I mean, like all of a sudden I see your face again, and I thought, I mean, you look 10 years younger to me. It was a really amazing results and like super fast, super quick. It took us just a couple hours, and you were looking
Yep.
fabulous. So you've been enjoying then since, yep,
I
since then.
have. I have. And excuse me, but it's probably not done to the fullest today. I have been working for most of the day. So
It looks
did
amazing.
a little bit beforehand. But still, yeah, very pleased. It wears really well too. So
You did a
I'm
great job. I remember when because I just wanted to stop for just a second and mention, because you said, I think you said that like you're not the greatest with the wand, or did we talk about that? That
we
wand.
did.
Okay. And I gave you some
Yep.
really cool advice. How's that working out? Or because it looks amazing. It looks like you're doing fantastic with the wand. So tell me about that. Tell me what I told you and how, yeah, if that helped.
Well, actually, you gave me some really good tips on the wand. This I did not do with the wand. I did with my regular curling iron and just kind of try to make it look more like the wand. But I do have every intention. I haven't. I think I gave my wand away because I didn't. I did look for it, but I think I gave it away because I wasn't using it. So I'll have to get myself a new one
And
and
try those tips.
try
Yes.
those definitely.
So yeah, that's a bummer, but that's okay, because as long as, if you take the iron, even, you can even do it with an iron, kind of treat the iron like the wand, but you always point it downward and wrap. And then, like I said, practice with it completely off and cool. So you're not burning your hand or doing whatever. And you kind of trying to create that muscle memory with it. And you'll do
Right.
with the wand if you get the wand, because those are kind of cool. They have where it starts thick at the top and gets thinner at the bottom. So you wrap the hair,
Hmm.
get a really cool kind of wave curl look with that. And then, but you did fantastic with the curling iron. I mean, you look amazing. So that's
Thank
good.
you.
So do you have any advice for anyone looking at this who might want to fill in, broken hair as well, like the processing? And then a lot of times in the front with curling iron and flat irons and things like that, we get broken spots in the front because we're doing that so much more. And we let the back go, a little bit because we don't see it. So we're always kind of doing the bangs area, and that can end up breaking that off. So, do you have any advice for anyone who has, a situation like that, and, maybe in they're trying to decide between the Soft Bond Strands and these other products that are out there that you have tried, and your thoughts on that, I guess, and anything that you think about, scheduling and coming to us, and anything applicable, I guess. So
I definitely make an appointment with Tiffany and her crew. I was in right away, which was great. And you were running a special too. So that was really nice. I definitely recommend the Soft Bonds versus the other one because like I said earlier, the other ones are damaging. And so if you're already having a hard time up in the front area, on the sides, like from the mid ear forward, you're not going to want to damage that anymore. So I feel like this is just a better product that's going to give me the result that I want, but not damage what I currently have there. Like I'm trying to avoid that. I'm not trying to make it worse. So that's why I like the Soft Bonds, because I think that it's just more gentle and the quality of the hair is great. My match is perfect. You did a great job, Tiff, matching my hair. Yeah.
yeah.
And overall have really great things to say about it. And I think that's probably the most important thing for me is not damaging the hair that I have. Most of my hair is pretty healthy except for around the facial area.
And take a little break, tell you guys to subscribe and like the video so that you can get more of these review videos, so you can get good hair extension tips, more information on me, more information on the products that we use, what we're doing. And to stay in touch, you need to subscribe, spread the word about this great and awesome product and how we can help others on their journey to fix their hair, to fix their look. And I'm going to be there for that and excited to do that. So you guys subscribe, like, share the video with people you know who would love this. Bless you guys too. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys so much for being here.
So I think that part was important to me, that it wasn't going to be more damaging and make my sides shorter, my sides or my bangs.
That reminds me, Rachel, that you bring up a very good point with that, because one of the really cool things about this product that other products can't do, like, clip-ins or metals or, even the glue infusion is it's really bad to have that up here, because that hair is like a lot finer, I guess, right? And more fragile in that area. So like you said, like all of this hair does well, but then you have this bang area. If you want to do something with that, you can't really take clip-in hair extensions and put them right there, or put in tapes there, because you're going to see them. You're not going to be able to pull the hair back, and you don't have any difficulty with that, with where your strands are placed and how they're filling in. So you don't see them. The attachment is always custom blended to your roots, so you don't see that. And then, like you said, we custom mix all those hair strands so that we can get that perfect match to blend in with your hair. You don't see anything. So it's a really good solution. I would think people who have a problem like yours, not having that area and wanting that filled in, you're very limited on the products that you can use for that. So it's really exciting that we have this Long Bond Bangs service, right? And can do that, can take care of that problem. So good point.
Yes.
Thank you for saying that and bringing that up.
Absolutely.
Any other thoughts or anything that we didn't cover that you want to say? You have my shampoo and conditioner. I always like to ask about that too, because 2019, did you have it in 2019? You had the first batch, my very first formulation of it. And this is the second. It isn't changed, because it was very good. Like it did really well just right off the bat. I think I might have done a tad bit more mint in it, just to make it a little bit more spicy, I guess I would say. But I mean, what are your thoughts on the shampoo and conditioner then? Because we do want to use those with the Soft Bond Strands because there are no silicones in it. Yeah. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, I like the fact that they're protective of the bonds and that it's going to make them last longer. It doesn't have all those extra additives that we're concerned about. It makes my hair feel really nice. And I remember correctly, I think I do like the extra mint that you added.
Yes.
It's been since 2019, but I don't remember. The scent is a little bit changed. But it makes my hair feel really soft and smooth, and I really like.
Have you noticed any like color difference? Because a lot of those other products that we use that are filled with silicones and stuff, they put a coating on the hair, so it really kind of dulls it. And maybe you haven't had enough time with this though, because it does take about 14 days to detox all that other, silicone and stuff that's like on the hair to come off. And then eventually after the 14 days, and as you keep using it, you really see some shine and dimension come through your own hair. So maybe you just need to keep me posted on that to let me know if you notice anything.
Yes, we'll do.
Okay.
It's been a few days, not quite
5 days, I think. Yeah. And you don't wash your hair all that often. You probably have only washed it like in 5 days, once, twice. Okay. Awesome, Rachel. Well, I can let you go if you want me to, if you think that's good and you've
Yeah, I'm great.
shared all. Okay. Oh, well,
Uh,
go ahead.
I want to thank you.
Hmm.
I really do like them. They're awesome.
It is
Looks.
absolutely
Hmm.
my pleasure. I'm pausing because I'm trying to let the volume come through, but no, it
Sure.
is, yeah, it is my pleasure. And thank you too, because I really had fun when you came in. I always enjoy those visits and time with clients. So yeah, really enjoyed it and can't wait till I see you again. But I know it's going to be a little while. So it's just
Right.
enjoy your hair, wear
I
it,
will.
love it.
Thank
And I'll see you when you come in again. Sound good, Rachel? All
you. See you then.
right. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
You too.
All right. Thanks, Rachel. Appreciate you lots. Okay.
No
And the thing there, and I'll end it. You go about your day. You did awesome. Thank you.